Shane mekweme Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Aru emelanu Oya tekwe kwa Akwano obodo Ako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Iyo Ije Oya tekwe kwa Ako ashala nodigu Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Nako epuolome Oya tekwe kwa iyo koko Oya tekwe kwa koko Shane menuo Ije Oya tekwe kwa mume Amadu ije lavu Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa Priestess, don't fall in love Oya tekwe kwa mume Love wanu onwe kwa roke Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa Omena landi di kwa lofa Oya tekwe kwa mume Mpitine kwe Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Shane mekweme.
Hi, ma. Hi. Please, my name is Afamefuna.
How may I help you?
I am looking for a lady that's putting on a white gown and she's bald-headed. Yeah, average height.
What do you want from her?
Nothing, ma. I just want to create some level of acquaintance. Nothing more. No harm.
Okay. You go this way. At that junction, you take your right.
Okay.
You keep moving.
Okay.
Just keep moving. Don't turn. Okay. Keep moving until you see her.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you, ma.
Ifene menu Ije Oya tekwe kwa mume Shane mekweme Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Aru emelanu Oya tekwe kwa mume Akwano obodo Ako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Iyo Ije Oya tekwe kwa mume Ako ashala nodigu Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Nako epuolome Oya tekwe kwa mume Iyo koko Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Shane menuo Ije Oya tekwe kwa mume Amadu ije lavu Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa Priestess, don't fall in love Oya tekwe kwa mume Love wanu onwe kwa roke Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa Omena landi di kwa lofa
I mean, my car can pass through here. Well, why would she say I should drive? Okay, well, guy, I have to go and search for what I see. A man has to die for something. Be safe.
Eze nwanyị agụ atala.
Eze nwanyị dị ọcha.
Eze nwanyị ndị mbụ na ndị egede.
Eze nwanyị dị ọcha.
Eze nwanyị ndị ichie na ndị mgbe gboo.
Eze nwanyị dị ọcha.
Eze nwanyị ndị mmiri.
Eze nwanyị dị ọcha. We greet you, Nneoma.
How dare you! My goodness, you're beautiful. I couldn't resist your beauty and I had to follow you.
How dare you step your foot in the great shrine of Aguatala without pulling your shoes? Seize him!
I didn't know it's a shrine. I didn't know it's a shrine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, let me go.
How dare you? How dare you step his foot without pulling his shoes?
That boy has done what nobody has ever done in our land. It is a greater taboo and an insult to the gods of our land. He deserves to be beheaded. As custom demands, anybody who steps into the shrine of our great mother Aguachala without pulling off his or her shoes will be beheaded, and that is final.
Olesemeka, honestly, that boy in question deserves to be beheaded. And that will serve as an example to every stranger who doesn't ask questions before disobeying the culture and tradition of the land. Therefore, we need to do the needful. You understand me? With immediate effect.
Welcome, great elders of Aguachala. Welcome to the shrine of great Aguachala. May you find what you seek.
Thank you.
Great priestess of our time, we are here in respect of
the offense committed by the stranger.
Exactly, Norma.
I already know your decisions. And I'm not in support of it. He cannot be beheaded.
But Norma, our tradition demands that whoever commits such offense, that person should be beheaded. What then are you talking about?
I have spoken. I am the priestess and the mouthpiece of the goddess. Before I take any decision, I have already communed with the goddess. I plead on his behalf. Pardon him from being beheaded, but a mark shall be given to him as a note of warning, and then he shall be set free.
But Norma, that is not the way we handle our things. Whoever commits such a offense, that person is to be beheaded. He's supposed to.
I have spoken! We shall all gather here at dawn to set him free. Eze nwanyị Aguachala. Eze nwanyị na-enye ndụ. Eze nwanyị na-enye ego. Na-enye akụ, na-enye ụba. Oge erula. Oge erula. Do ezi nwanyị. Do ezi nwanyị. Do.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please.
Unmask him. Eze nwanyị udo. Eze nwanyị ụwa niile na-atụ egwu ya. Oge erula. The time has come. You were supposed to be beheaded, but I pleaded on your behalf.
What kind of dream is this? How is this possible? Jesus! What is this? Jesus! How is this possible? What?
Man, this is really serious. Wait, did you say you woke up from your dream and saw this?
It is what it is. It is what it is, man. The thing is, when I woke up, I didn't feel any pain or something like being attacked or, but just trying to stretch myself out, and I looked at myself and I saw a cut on me. And that's just it. But I'm not scared anyway. I believe in a short while this is gonna heal on its own time.
You're kidding, bro. Look, you need to visit the hospital as soon as possible and have a doctor run a test on this. And of course, give you the proper treatment.
Are you trying to scare me? Wait, Kingsley, are you trying to scare me? This is nothing. Well, listen, I appreciate your concern, but this is absolutely nothing. It's gonna get healed at its own time. Just little antibiotics and some major treatment, it will just go. I mean, it's just one of those things.
Oh well, that's fine if you say so. I actually tried calling you, but your number wasn't reachable, so I decided to pull over and check up on you.
Yeah, that reminds me. I decided to lay low after this thing happened. I had to restrict myself on some little movements, but there's no cause for alarm. I'll be fine again.
You're not a strong man now. And you know, say, I believe you, Scara.
Oh boy, not the small thing, no. You just have 5G now.
I see.
But British can totally fight for.
Oh,
what is that fight there?
The country won't want for these people.
Hello, darling.
Hi, baby.
Hello, darling. Oh, look at you.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Since you're going out?
Yeah, I wanted to get some groceries for the house.
Oh, really?
Baby, you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Oh my God. Baby, what is this? What happened?
It's just a minor cut. I mean, it's nothing. So, how you doing?
No, babe, why didn't you tell me about this over the phone?
Because of this? It's nothing. It's just like every other injury. It will go on its own.
You know what? We're going to see a doctor. We're going to the hospital right away.
Because of this?
Let's go and see a doctor. This is much.
Wait, hold on. I should go and see a doctor because of this little injury.
Baby, we're going to the hospital.
Just tell me you're kidding.
We're going to the hospital.
Oh, please,
babe,
come,
let's
go
go
back. No,
no,
I'm not going anywhere.
Babe, I insist. Let's go to the hospital, please. Yeah, let's go.
Are you kidding me right now?
I'm not. Let's go. So, are we going in your car or mine?
No, we're going in your own car since you are the one who proposed that we should see a doctor. Because of this minor. So what do you want me to tell the doctor when I get to the hospital?
Are you injured?
Because of this little thing. Chigo.
Sir.
Please make sure when the painter is done, get him something to eat, eh?
Okay, sir.
Then if any other person looks for me, just tell the person to call me on the phone.
Okay, sir.
From Efuna, I got your text not to allow your fiance to come in with you as we discuss your situation. I'm very, very sure you have answer to that.
You have been my friend for so many years. And for me to tell you that I don't want my fiance to be here, that means I want whatever I'm discussing with you to be private.
It's alright. Can I see your hand? This is serious.
This is how I woke up and saw this thing.
Wait, you mean you woke up from your sleep and you saw this cut in reality?
Doctor, I am telling you that I went to sleep sound just to wake up after the dream and I saw this on my skin.
But wait, the girl you saw in your dream, the girl that followed you, do you know her in reality?
I've never set my eyes on that girl before. But one thing is certain, Doctor, the girl is so beautiful. That girl, you need to see this girl. in the dream, it seemed like she possesses some kind of spiritual power or something.
Powers?
Yes.
I'm afraid to say that this must be a spiritual problem.
Why are you scaring me? See, Doctor, please, can you please handle this little case? Let me go. This thing is minor now. Treat me, let me go back to work.
I'm not scaring you. You see, spiritual problems are deeper than you can ever imagine. Physically or carnally, it looks so simple. But spiritually, it has so many undertones. Afam, you know I've been your doctor for years, and I cannot deceive you. I want your good health, and that is why I'm sitting on this table. I'm assuring you, your health is my concern. Just do as I have said.
So what is the advice again?
Seek a spiritual solution.
What kind of life is this? That will always you. Doctor, please, I want to beg you for something.
Okay.
See, whatever I have discussed with you here in this office, I want you to keep it away from my fiance. You know, women have this funny nature of fears. She would be mad that I followed another woman in the tree. And I wouldn't want that to happen.
Afam, the most beautiful thing about this our profession is that we have the ability to keep secrets. As for her, she will not hear about it. Okay? So relax, let's know how to treat this. Meanwhile, I'll prescribe some drugs for you. You go to the pharmacy and pick them up. Okay?
Baby, what's happening? I told you your food is ready and you're yet to eat. What happened?
I'll join you.
You're not hungry? But I'm sure you're going to eat later. Hey, babe, I'm seriously upset. What was the meaning of what the doctor did? Like, he didn't allow me go to his office with you. Why?
I'm sorry about that. I think he's just trying to protect the hospital rules and regulations. But it's okay. I would make sure it doesn't happen again.
Babe, I don't believe you. Seriously, I don't. I am your wife-to-be, and the doctor is aware of that. He has been your personal doctor for some years now. So, there is something you're not telling me. Yeah, you're not.
It's okay. I promise that won't happen again. I will make sure it doesn't repeat itself.
Well, that's okay. Let's go in so you eat your food now. Let's go.
No, please. I don't have appetite.
Baby, you must eat. Don't worry. I'll feed you. Let's go in. Let's go.
Sister?
Amy?
Good afternoon.
Amy, afternoon. Amy, hope all is well. What happened?
Please say welcome to your big brother.
Oh, sorry, Augusta. Welcome. But I'm surprised you're back.
Okay, we're on vacation.
Oh, really?
Sister, I hope there is food in the house. I'm very hungry.
I don't understand. You just came in and you're talking about food. Please stand up, get to the kitchen and go and cook. Listen, as far as you're here now, you're in charge of everything in this house. The kitchen, everything. In fact, there are lots of house chores waiting for you if you don't know.
Sister.
To go to the kitchen.
Sister, at least pet your kid brother for once. I'm just coming back from school.
Pet you? An old man like you. Eh?
Okay. What's going on here?
You're welcome.
My darling. My baby, how are you?
I'm fine. Oh, dazzling and you glow, darling.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. This your brother is growing really faster. What on earth are you feeding him with?
My money. Yeah. That boy eats my money like
See who's talking. You're even lucky you have a younger brother that disturbs you. I wish I have somebody that disturbs me this way because I am the only child of my parents. And I don't have somebody that disturbs me or troubles me like this.
My dear, now you go run. Calm down.
For where? So, that reminds me. Have you heard from Ahamifuna?
Well, he had accident.
Accident?
Yeah, no, it's not much. It's not something serious. Just a slight cut on his hand. Yeah, nothing much. Don't worry. I know you. Don't worry. He'll be fine, okay?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that, eh?
Thank you, my darling.
So sorry. Okay. Anyways, I am here now. Thank God you're on leave. So go in there, prepare me a chicken stew with white rice. I can't wait to devour a full pot. You know?
I don't understand though. Did you actually plan this with Emeka? Like you planned this with my brother? Madam, you are not a visitor. Back to the kitchen. Go and join Emeka.
I have come to eat.
My dear, I will watch both of you do the cooking. Afam.
Mama.
Why are you hiding your hand?
Mama, it's nothing. I'm fine. I'm okay.
I say, eh? Yamakai. What is this?
Minor injury. Just after some time it will be fine, okay?
Put back. This thing does not look ordinary to me. This thing does not look ordinary to me. We'll go and see Ojadele.
Mama, I said this is just a cut. But by the way, can you help us out Ojadele with injury? And I got only feel melody shrine. Mama, it's just a cut. After a while, it will just go.
Hey. Why are you stubborn? Eh? The same stubbornness that killed your father. Ipulugia. Kamilu Zukwogi. This is not ordinary. No. Biko, kaije. Biko.
Welcome, wife of late great Okeke Maganazu, the offspring of great Okeke Maganazu, the grandson of Ntumabuleni Kingdom. You are highly known.
Mama, did you hear what he said?
Mbekwu ana agwala na okwu asị meka ọtụ asị ọ dị n'iyi ni sị dibịa ọsị m ugili okwe mọja adịrị nsị ya ọbala tụrụ ị na-egbu ọkala akwụ ọbụ ọkala ete ụgba ọsị na ụgbọ m dị na mmiri ọsọ ofu na akwụkwọ dị n'ofe ka eji eme ọbala ọla wụ ọgbụ ị na-eche ole dị iwu ntụ na mesịrị ole iwu ntụ ma mgbanye ya nke wụ nne afọ anaghị ịgba arịa m kalafọdụba ntụchi akụ. My son, have you asked why the kite is afraid of Okin, the little bird? May you not be swallowed by your predicament out of ignorance. The girl, the priestess, flats the sword that was used to behead the greatest and the strongest Dikiana Bogunanya of Agwachala. Nagwachala defeated Dikiana Bogunanya and they kept the sword since then. Whoever the sword touches gets severe hurt and can only be held by the same sword. Find the priestess. Do as she says to free yourself from the doom.
Ezedibia, how did you know about the girl and the sword? Mama, everything he said here is in accordance to the dream.
I might have just one eye, but can see better far and beyond. Even if you possess 1,000 eyes, ask more questions, for you have gotten answers for what you seek.
I have no other question to ask you.
Thank you, great Ojadele. Thank you very much. Why are you doing this to yourself? Since we returned from the great Ojadele's shrine, You have not said a word to me. You have not eaten anything. Or you want me to die for you?
Mama, first thing tomorrow morning, I am going back to the city.
You're joking, okay?
I am not joking about it. I mean, nothing is making sense to me anymore. Nothing. My friend is not making sense. My fiance is not making sense. The Ojadele, the native doctor himself, is not even making sense. I mean, how can I remain in the village in the quest to find solution to ordinary courts over one superstitious belief? Something that I know if I go to hospital, a good medical facility will take care of this. I'm afraid that this thing is getting infected by the day because I have not taken it to the proper medical center that will handle it. You don't expect me to remain here, please. I need to go back to my work.
Why do you argue so much? Eh? Why do you argue too much? Your father named you Afamefuna so that his lineage will not go away.
The lineage will not go away because of this injury. I will treat it to go.
Because of your stubbornness, you want your father's lineage to go. The same thing you did when I told you to fence all the pieces of land your father left behind for you. Ijo? Now I keep fighting every day. Every day.
Mama, it's okay. If that land is the problem, you should have said so than dragging this whole thing. As soon as I get to the city, I will send some people to the village to come and fence the land.
Let us go and look for the priestess, so that this thing will be sorted out. Biko.
Mama, you are still repeating this matter. I thought the land was the problem. I have accepted to fence the land. Mama, you've started again. You're expecting me to go and search for a priestess that I don't even know. It doesn't make sense to me. Let me go back to my life, please.
Your life is more important to me than Anawa. What are you saying?
You know,
the painful part of the whole thing is my mom accepted every single thing that native doctor told her. Everything the man said there, my mother accepted it. And it doesn't make any sense to me.
Wait. What are you calling a cock and bull story, Alpha? You're the one person who told me that the seer had mentioned everything that happened in your dream, exactly how it transpired. So come on, bro. What else do you need to be convinced?
You're sounding as if you also believe what the man told us, do you?
Bro, look at your hand. It is getting worse every single day. So get up and do something about this. Or, if you don't mind, I mean, I can go with you.
Let me ask you this question. Have you heard of Aguachala before?
No.
Do you know where it's located?
Of course, no.
So why are you encouraging me to search for a woman, a mistress woman, a woman I saw in my dream, a woman I don't even know if she's existing or not? Does it make sense?
Fine, but the fact is that as far as that seer had mentioned a name of a village where that lady can be found, that's to say she exists. So bro, please, get up and do something about this. Please.
You see, it is true that I feel pain at times. There's this painful sensation that comes with this injury. Like, I can't even describe the pain. But even if I have to go on this journey or whatever search, I wouldn't want to involve you in this. I don't want you to risk your own life at my own expense. But also I would like to beg you for something. Can you please keep everything I have told you regarding this matter sealed?
Sure, bro.
Good.
Everything you've said is intact with me.
And I also don't want you to forget this in a hurry, that my fiancé knows nothing about this whole thing.
Sure.
Drink.
Deal. Yeah.
Of course I do. Okay, you. Okay. Alright.
Take this. This is so good,
Babe. Okay, I should finish, alright? Oh, it was a dream. But wait, is this possible? Such a beautiful dream, spoiled by someone I can't even recognize. That hand snatched affirmation away from me. No, that's not possible. I know Afam loves me so much and I love him too. I'm aware he can even die for me. Wow, it's midnight. Let me go in. Baby, sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. I was unable to come to see you when you returned from the village. I've been so busy. How is Mama?
You see, the woman was busy asking of you. Maybe she was expecting that you come to the village with me.
Oh, really? That's okay, baby. This hand is getting worse. I think we should see my doctor. No. Let's try my doctor.
Well, I just think the hand is affected and after a while it will dry up. Just give it talks like few weeks.
No, babe. We're seeing my doctor. I want you to be fine.
Shh. Let me handle this. I'll be fine.
Missed you.
I miss you.
Missed you. It's alright. So, have you eaten?
I had fruits.
No. I'll prepare your favorite Onubo soup. Onubo. Alright, baby.
What is going on? Huh? This thing is bleeding again.
How would they expect me to go and search for a girl that I don't even know if she's existing or not? A girl I saw in the dream. And I can't even say doesn't make any sense. I would just leave everything I was doing and just go to one unknown place that I'm searching for a girl I saw in the dream. So we were talking and the woman started screaming, "Aye, Chimo, aye, God!" Oh, she was so surprised with the sum of money she received. I mean, that alert surprised that woman. Thank you so much. You have changed that woman's life. That loving there. Oh. Okay, that won't be a problem. I'll be going back to the city anytime soon. Don't worry now. Alright, take care of you. Thank you.
Nah.
Mama.
When I was inside, I was hearing sounds of someone in pain. I thought it was you. That was why I had to come out.
No, how can it be me? It's a story. Something happened. A friend of mine gave this poor woman little money, and the woman started screaming, "Ewo, chai, ewo, chai," you know, that kind of thing. And my people are really suffering this life. I am telling you.
Well, I want to continue that story I was telling you. Like,
okay.
You know, I couldn't finish before you came out. What can do? Said he's no longer dragging the land with us, that he has left it for us. Yes. That he doesn't want you to come and arrest him with soldiers.
Yeah.
The way Elisa's son arrested Nnebe Ekene. If you see the way Nnebe was doing front job, I will jump.
You know, Mama, you see all those old men, sometimes you need to teach them some lesson, because some of them are capitalizing because of the old age to perpetrate evil in the village. You know, I mean the bad ones, so you know.
Well, is a man, money goes even.
Bushrat though, Bushrat. I thought there's no more bushrat around our house here. And I was here, one bushrat just came with speedo. Bim, 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 bim. I stepped in it, bam! I threw it off. I think it should be within the bush area there.
Bushrat. Nabanye.
I even thought civilization has chased away this animal from here. I don't know. Bushrat, but just used this way and it came this way. So.
I can still, because I have not seen any bushrat in Nabanye since.
Bushrat in Gawi, holding
The offspring of great Okeke Maganazu, the grandson of great Onwabaizu, the great grandson of Ntimabuleni. There is no time. There is no time. Do not be stubborn as your forefathers. A stitch in time saves 9.
Ezadibia, you know there's no way I can embark on such journey. That journey in question is so dangerous. I don't even know the land in question. Talk less of knowing the priestess you asking me to go and search for. Listen, Ezadibia, I came here this evening to ask you to heal me. Ezadibia, do you know that I even perceive the rottenness of my own hand? My hand smells sometimes. I can perceive it. Please, help me handle this. I will give you any amount you want.
Son of late great Okeke Maganazu, what you ask me to do is impossible. Go and heal yourself. For now, I need to converse with my she. You can now go.
Nna, you do like this?
No, I am going to the next town. There's this friend of mine who is having a function. So, as a good friend, I decided to go there to support him because I got more than I can support one.
Hi. If you had told me earlier, now can be silly me.
Mama, I am not a child. Besides, there's a lot to eat when I get to that place. Yeah, function can now.
Okay. Just be careful.
One can you?
Okay, one.
Oh! Mama, just one jai here, you know, as you can see, not make heal off, man. Just one little thing here for me. But I had to cover it, you know. I don't want to go to the function and people will be asking me what happened here, you know. I just want that kind of sympathetic attention. As you can see, in Miami. I'm not a woman now. One can you? Bye.
Is your Oga in?
No, madam. He traveled go abroad for business.
What? Like you mean your Oga is not in this country?
Yes, ma.
Okay, fine. Well, I tried calling him. His numbers were not going through. So I decided to come. Did he tell you when he will be coming back?
No, madam.
Oh, don't worry. That's okay. I'll believe it.
Ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko aru emelanu oya tekwe kwa mwano obodo ako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko iyo ije oya tekwe kwa mume ashala no digu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko nako epuolo me oya tekwe kwa moyo iyo koko nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko mshane menuo ije oya tekwe kwa mume amaru ije lavu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa Priestess, don't fall in love oya tekwe kwa love wanu onwe kwa roke nako ashala oya tekwe kwa omenala ndị dị kwalifọ oya tekwe kwa mume mpiti nekwekwe nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko chane mekweme oya tekwe kwa mume njinje jelanu nako ashala oya tekwe ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko aru emelanu oya tekwe kwa mwano obodo ako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko iyo ije oya tekwe kwa mume ashala no digu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko nako epuolo me oya tekwe kwa moyo iyo koko nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko mshane menuo ije oya tekwe kwa mume amaru ije lavu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa Priestess, don't fall in love oya tekwe kwa love wanu onwe kwa roke.
Hello. It was white, all true white, and she's not too. She's so like yeah, like good.
Did you wear white?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I know the lady.
Okay.
Okay, what you do? Go this side.
Did you see?
Yeah, when you get there, you see one big tree.
Okay.
Then,
It left. Right.
Aru emelanu oya tekwe kwa mwano obodo ako ashala oya tekwe.
Stranger, you shall be healed. But you shall spend 7 good days in a Guachala shrine. No food, no water. You are not meant to set your eyes on any human until the rituals are performed. Are you ready to go on with this task?
Were you talking to me? I'm asking you, wait, all this is you said, were you referring to me? Wait. You mean I should spend 7 days in your shrine? No food, no water, no brushing my teeth, no taking my bath? Listen, Priestess or whatever you are, please. I was having my dream peacefully, and you came out of nowhere and dominated my dream and inflicted this pain on me. If you know the way you got yourself into that dream, do whatever you need to do and get me out of this. Let me have my life back.
Okpoko is that animal
that makes noise before killing. If you happen to be as deaf as the grasshopper, you shall find yourself in the mouth of Uboko, Mr. Stranger.
Mr. Stranger. Business with Uboko or whatever you are talking about. I do not have any business with that Uboko of yours. Listen, I am a businessman. You do not know how many clients I have lost in the quest to find you to heal this. That is the sword I saw in the dream. Use that same sword that you used in inflicting this pain and heal me. Let me get back to my normal life. And let me not see you anywhere around my dream again.
The things you do not know are bigger than you.
Oh, really? Okay, now I see. You don't want to heal me, right? It's okay, fine, no hard feelings. I'll get the best specialist in town. I'll take this hand to the best surgeon, to best medical field. Whoever that's gonna heal this, and I'll pay them the money and they'll treat me. Nonsense! I saw 7 days. 7 days doing what? With all this things in the back. Can't even under 7 days. Why would I be here for 7 good days? Doing what for kind of cloud? When I'm done for 7 good days.
He shall stay here.
Nonsense. Eh? What nonsense? When I'm not one on the mafia for 7 days. Then I get it. Demon and ghost. A whole 7 days. 7 days. Then I get it. That woman I got. That woman I got. When I got. 7 days with demon, spirit, and ghost. No food, no water. Nonsense.
Yeah, almost saying that he's going to attend his friend's function. Eh? Not as I need 7 days. 7 days, Gilly. Can't come with 7 days. Won't be a mother and a fool.
Mama, I am going back to the city right now. Eh? I believe you still have some money on you. When I get to the city, I will send you more money. Please.
Afam Efuna.
He was supposed to tell me before traveling. Yes, I don't just know what came over Afam. Afam has completely changed. I don't understand what's going on. Before Afam do anything, he do inform me. But this time around, it's just like, my opinion doesn't count. To the extent that he left this country without letting me know.
Baby girl, relax, okay? I mean, it might be an urgent trip for business. You know how these things happen sometimes.
Oh, baby girl, stop that, please. A short message would have been okay. Yes, of course. Sending a short message like, oh, babe, I won't be around for so time. It's okay. And not just living as if I'm a nobody. That's bad now.
No, relax, baby girl. Look, when you called me, I thought something bad happened to you. You don't have to let something like this, I mean, little things like this freak you out. What about the gate man? Did you tell you anything about him?
He doesn't know his whereabouts as well, yeah. The poor boy was just confused when I was asking him too many questions.
It's okay then, calm down. I believe when he returns, you go and you meet him and know why everything happens this way, maybe. Why he behaved like this or something.
I'm just worried. Yeah. I'm worried. Afam wasn't like this before. I think that's why I'm pulled out this way.
Okay, relax.
I'm worried. Afam is changing.
Nothing bad happened yet, okay?
What nonsense! How do you expect me to be in that place for 7 days? 7 whole days? No water? No food? No internet subscription? Not brushing my teeth? Not having my bath? I am not allowed to communicate with any other person for 7 days, 24 hours in 7 places. Do you understand what you're talking about?
But you need to be okay, eh? Personally, I think you should be happy that you finally found this priestess who's got the sword.
Only if you know what I went through. Only if you understand how far I drove to find that strange land. I went through a lot. The road was so scary. It's obvious you don't get it.
All of this is still for your own good. And it's not like it's at the detriment of your life. Bro, you need to be okay. So go in there and solve this thing once and for all.
Did I invite her in my dreams? Tell me! Not did you be that? How did she get to my dream? Hey, God damn it. Oh, shit, man.
Hey, bro. Sorry, huh? Sorry.
This shit hurts, man.
That's why you should find a way and resolve this thing once and for all.
Man, this is bullshit. I mean, this is nothing but bullshit. Did I invite her into my dreams? Tell me, how did I do wrong? Like, where did I go wrong? I was having my dream that she came. Sorry, bro. This place hurts.
Ijoma.
Mama.
What is it? You have been rejecting your food lately. What is the problem?
Mama, food is not my problem.
Then tell me, what is your problem?
Mama, why don't you want to talk to Ikenga on my behalf? Hey, Mama, please now.
My daughter. My daughter. Come. My daughter, be patient with Ikenga. He will come for you at the right time. I told you already. Ikenga is betrothed to you from childhood. And it was sealed due to the relationship I had with his late parents. Stop being unnecessarily worried and eat your food.
Mama, Ikenga is not ready to marry anyone else. Looking into his eyes alone, Mama, all I see is hatred. Like, I disgust him. Mama, am I not beautiful? Eh?
My daughter, you are beautiful. More than beautiful. Don't worry yourself. Ikenga is yours forever.
You, the stubborn child. For what you do not know is bigger than you. Agbala nwanyi obioma. Agbala nwanyi chuzuru echuzu. Have mercy on him, for he is only but a child that do not know anything about the things of the spirit. Temper justice with mercy. Kobigi Dajo. Kobigi Dajo. Biko.
Instantly, please, can you talk to me? Tell me what is going on, because right now I am so confused. Tell me what's happening. Okay, he's barely in his office. He doesn't tell me where he goes to. Like he traveled without letting me know. His fiance. That's bad. Right now his numbers are off. Like right now his numbers are off. His numbers are unavailable. Please, talk to me. Tell me what's happening. Please.
Oh well, I am as confused as you are, yeah? I don't know anything. In fact, I'm surprised he traveled.
Oh please, Kinsley, don't do that now, huh? Don't do this to me. You are his best friend. You should know his whereabouts. Tell me, where did he go to? Please, talk to me. Because I'm not comfortable anymore. Like, I'm watching my Afam slip off my hands just like that. Please.
You just relax yourself, eh? I'm going to try and get across to him, then I'll get back to you. Okay?
Kinsley, don't tell me to relax. I can't. Like, please just do whatever you can, okay? Please.
Priska, relaxed. Cheer up already. Everything is gonna be alright, yeah? You're gonna be fine.
Hey, I got more.
I asked you about this and they said no, now go look at it, it's getting bigger and bigger. We have to find that priestess. Let give us a solution to this problem. Let's go look for solution. Let's go.
Mother of a stubborn stranger, your son will stay here for 7 days. No human shall set eyes on him. Some rituals need to be performed to set him free from the curse. Go home, for he shall return to you if he survives.
Please. How can I let him stay here in this condition for 7 days? I cannot sleep. Okay, Biko, let me sleep in this bush. I don't mind.
Do not endanger your life, for there are dangerous animals everywhere. Go home, for he shall come back to you. Go, for I need to commune with the goddess.
So stupid to have believed my son when he said he was recovering. Afam, why do you want to make your poor mother childless? You will not die. You will return to me.
Nagwachala! Mmụọ na-eche onwe ya. Ekelem go! Afamefuna! 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 Your recovery is in your destiny.
Tim. Ya bobu ya iba o. Ya buru ya iba. The condition of your son is still very confusing to me. You left me years ago to raise that boy all alone. Now that he is about to settle down and give us children, Dimoma, in case he comes to that place, if anything should happen to that boy, all of us will join you there.
Yes, Mama.
Welcome.
Mama, look at you. Your eyes are swollen. Mama, you look so stressed and unhappy. Is it because of our farm?
Who told you?
Mama, of course I'm used to him. Though lately he travels out of the country without letting anyone know. But don't worry, Mama. He will be back soon, okay? Mama, stop crying. He will be back soon. I actually came to ask you his whereabouts, but seeing you like this, I have my answers already.
My daughter wish she traveled. As we speak, my son is between life and death.
No, Mama, I don't understand. I don't understand. What are you talking about? Mama, where is my love? Mama, where is Alpha? I want to see him. I want to see my love. Where is he?
You cannot see him. You cannot see him until after 7 days.
What?
That is if he survives it.
Mama, I'm confused. I don't know what is going on. Tell me what's happening, Mama. Where is Alpha? Where is my love? Where is the love of my life?
If any menu ije oyotekwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako ashala oyotekwe kwa koko arueme lanu.
Okay, Boago Achala. Okay, Boago Achala Jiafoso.
Greetings, Ikenga, the son of the great Ezebube. I greet you.
Thank you.
Welcome, my friend.
Without wasting much of your time, I brought this gift. This yams for you. I believe you need them.
Thank you. Such a great soul. I'm grateful.
You're welcome. You're welcome. As a matter of fact, they're the first proceeds from my farm, and I said to myself, the beautiful priestess of Aguachala, deserves to eat from my first proceeds. So I brought them.
I'm grateful, Ikenga. Thank you. Thank you. Ikenga, I also know of your meeting with the elders in regards of the people of Idani. Jidekiji, never give up on the truth. The peace of this land should be paramount.
Of course.
Thank you. I bet to take my leave now.
No. They say if Deity do not go home empty-handed. Umokoro, get me 4 pieces of kola nuts, or jugo to be precise. When you get home, tell Ndiani that you visited Ijamaka and that their daughter is always loyal to them.
I will. As the one I got Chaleke name. Let what we eat come, and let what we eat us run away. Kake de mialum munye dim. Ki for mamela ki for job at elete. He say. I will never near the door when Nathan Dio give. He say it shall be well with us. It shall be well with all of us.
What about me? Tell them to protect me too. Tell them to protect me from that devilish priestess. That wicked priestess.
Nebunu basalo battle out on what he find. A little malongo malonya kelia. Or chumoko konga, damoko konga moon was. I say, Mamma Mebum, Madonna Lianco. I can see Amaro Mebu, Adamo Mada. I try and call a memoir. Come what that you also. My Bobana up one nail in our known yozo. Also, go out chima. I can emon. You say. Now, let me warn you. Never you in your entire life interrupt me when I commune with the gods.
But why will we be praying for her? What's so special about this lady? Look at me now. I'm very sure that I'm prettier than her. Please, consider me. Come and see my people, please. Obim, Pikono.
Let me warn you, never you speak ill of the priestess. Else I will send you to an exile.
Look at me. Look at me now. Am I not a complete woman? Please, just say yes to me, please.
How many times will I say this? I am not interested. Find another man. I am not interested. What is wrong with you?
Please, stop, lady, stop. I can't even sleep without thinking of you. I love you.
Oh, really? I bet you know your way out. When you're done standing here, you will just leave my house.
Don't go, please. Ikenga. Please, I love you. Ikenga. Ikenga, please don't go. Ijamaka, I blame you for all this. Get ready for
Ikenga the Great.
The pieces of Agwachara.
You know, I'm so happy to get to enjoy your leave in your house. I have searched almost all the bushes around. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. You know, most times these leaves are scarce.
Yes.
In the forest. So, well, I thought of planting some, so it would be easier for me to get them anytime I need.
That's so thoughtful of you. Thank you. I have to leave now. I have so many sick people waiting for me at the shrine.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Right. You're welcome. Farewell.
Angel, I'm not coming back until I set my eyes on the love of my life. I'm not coming back until I see her found. Mama doesn't want to tell me what I need to know. I don't know. My heart is broken. Seriously, I've been crying. Okay, I will stop crying. I'll stop crying. It's hard for me, but I will stop. Okay, I'm going to bye-bye.
Why are you doing this? No, okay, what is it? Huh? The food I left for you did not even touch it. Okay, I saw the food I gave to you. You didn't even touch it. Why are you doing this? Why do you want to starve yourself to death? You have been here for 3 days, still wearing the same dress. If anything should happen to you, I'll be held responsible. Because if you really love my son, you have to eat. Please, you have to eat. You have to go home and freshen up. Because Mama, I don't care. I don't care if I've been wearing one clothes for 3 days now. Mama, what bothers me is to set my eyes on her farm. I want to see the man I love with every part of me. I want to see her farm. I don't care. As for food, I'm not hungry. I'm not going to eat. Because I'm sure that wherever her farm is right now, he's not eating anything. I'm not eating too. You must stop crying. I know how you feel. I know how you feel as a mother, but please don't cry.
Chikelu anyanwụ, Chikelu mmiri, Chikelu ani. Nne agụ achala nne m ọma. Ugegbe dị na nwaanyị. Ọkụlụ ọkalịsịa. As I'm about to begin this ritual, you, the stubborn stranger, hear him so that he can speak of your great powers in a strange land. Afọ.
Ọfọ.
Nkwo.
Ọfọ.
Ori.
Ọfọ.
The time has come. Nagwa chala.
Eze nwanyị chala acha. Eze nwanyị dị ọcha. Eze nwanyị obiọma. The time has come for you to heal your son. You gave me this sword not to kill, but to save. The set time is now. Nagwa chala. Nagwa chala.
Nemo! Oga kala kerugo. Oga kala kerugo. Nemo! Nemo! Okay, rolla. Okay, rolla. Okay, rolla. The day is almost gone. Mama, what is happening? What is happening? I don't know. They told me after 7 days that if not, he's dead. Hey, no, Mama. Mama, don't say that again. Mama, don't talk about death. Hey, no. My husband will not die. My husband will not die. Oh. Mama, it's my husband. My husband is not. Baby. Baby, I'm fine.
Mama, get you. Mama, how are you? How are you? Mama. Hey, Mama, look at you. Nemo. I'm back. Everything is gone. Everything, just like magic. Just left. I am sorry, okay? Hey! I am sorry.
Hey!
It's not what you think. Please forgive me. Please.
Why didn't you tell me? Why?
Joy is back. I never wanted to disturb you.
Hey!
I thought I could handle it alone. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay. The most important thing is that my love is back. Yeah.
Let me go, Mama.
No.
America.
I thought I had lost
you. Mama, come. Let's go inside. Let me tell you what happened in that bush.
What a beautiful maiden. Why would she accept the position of a priestess in that village? I can't even get her off my mind. Oh God. Priska. Such a nice girl. I'm sorry, Priska. I can't help it. I'm sorry.
Ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko aru emelanu ewu oya tekwe kwa abano bodo ago ashala nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko yo ije oya tekwe kwa mume.
Priestess, how you doing? Well, I thought I should say thank you for saving my life.
All thanks to the goddess of Aguachala.
No. All thanks to you. Because without you, probably the goddess wouldn't have listened to my problems. So I say thank you. This is a little way of showing my appreciation. Just to say thank you for what you did for me.
I see. Your appreciation is well accepted.
Thank you.
I was actually busy before you came in. You may leave.
Oh, no. I mean, it's fine. I mean, I'm not in a hurry. I can always hang around and wait for you. When you're done, then I can still have a glance at you.
You may leave.
So you didn't fetch water in this house? All the gallons are empty.
Mama, because I am not happy. I'm not happy, Mama. You don't want to talk to Ikenga on my behalf. So please, let me think and find a way to solve my problems.
So because I didn't talk to Ikenga on your behalf, that is why you want us to be thirsty in this house? Not even water to cook, nor wash. Ijoma!
Mama, do you love me at all? Mama, do you love me at all?
What do you mean? What type of stupid question is that?
Mama, please, help me and talk to Ikenga. Please, help me out, Mama. I will kill myself. I will kill myself, Mama.
Welcome to my home, wife of Okonkwo and Yukonwa. To what do I owe this visit?
Not to offend you. I've come to remind you that my daughter Ijoma is ripe to be plucked.
Well, let whom is ready pluck the fruit.
Of course, you are aware that my daughter was betrothed to you right from the day she was born. Due to the relationship that both families shared, your father, the great Ezebube, sealed it by paying her bride price on your behalf when you were little. Even my late husband, Okonkwo Enyukonwa, gave your father a plot of land at Ukudara as his in-law. So I've come to ask you, what is keeping you from taking home your betrothed?
You can take back the land which your husband gave to my father and return the bride price. It is simple. I don't love your daughter. We are old enough to make our decisions now. Please.
Mama, I hope you heard him right. You heard him.
Sit down.
Mama,
sit down. No, my daughter. My daughter loves you so much. Why not give her a chance?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Please, give me a chance. I promise I'll make you the happiest man on earth. Please. Please, my love.
Listen, wife of Enyukonwa, like I said earlier, I don't want to get married. In fact, I don't want to get married. It is simple. Find your daughter a husband and let her get married. I mean, she's so beautiful.
Because of that evil priestess, right?
Shut up your mouth. What?
What?
Shut up. again.
Mama,
don't speak ill of the priestess before you face the consequences. My son, please forgive her. Please. She don't know anything about our culture. Please forgive her, my son.
I can only forgive her because of you.
Leave me alone, Mama.
Make a movement from that place. Akuangisi Ijoma. Bia, what was the meaning of that embarrassment? Are you running mad?
Mama, you can't need someone that will talk sense into him.
And you think the best way to talk sense into him is by abusing the priestess before him?
Mama, I'm very sure that Ikenga is having an affair with Ijamaka. That husband snatcher.
Stop me, chum! Now let me warn you. If you don't have a rethink, you might regret this.
Mama, I am fighting for what rightfully belongs to me. And that is it.
Agwanti manti anuro. Ebulu kuisi ebulu nti. Akama pukwani.
Oya tekwe kwa moyo iyo koko koko achala oya tekwe kwa koko mshane menuo ije oya tekwe kwa mume maru ije lavu nako achala oya tekwe kwa.
Just go ahead and tell her exactly how you feel. Just tell her exactly how you feel. Don't be scared, man. That's the feeling. That's the feeling. Yo. Hi, Priestess. How are you?
How may I help you, stranger?
My name is Afam Ifuna. You can call me Afam.
State your mission, for I do not have all the time.
They say that bravery is not the absence of fear, but the presence of fear and yet the will to go ahead. I just want to say to you that you're beautiful. Yes, I want to bring it to you for you to know that I am interested in you. I would like to take you into the bigger world. Show you lots of beautiful things that are waiting you. And as for you people, You can do something better with your lives instead of remaining here in the bush. Priestess, give me the chance to spend my life with you. I would like to marry you. My heart aches for you. I want you. I can imagine a life without you. Instead of abandoning you in this godforsaken bush.
How dare you! How dare you speak ill of my traditions!
I just said my mind. I'm sorry.
He who the being stinged runs on the hearing of the sound of a big fly. Be warned, stranger.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with the man saying his mind. I said, Priestess, there's no...
Get out before I strike you dead! Get out!
Whoa.
Get out!
Take it easy. I'll leave, okay? I'll leave. It's fine. I'll leave. There's nothing wrong with the man saying his mind. Alright? I'll leave.
The great priestess of Aguatala.
My priestess, you look so angry and so disturbed. What is the problem? Is anything the matter? No, speak to me.
The stranger whom I healed is after my heart. And he touched me.
A stranger whom you healed is after your heart. He dare touched you? I bet he must still be on his way home. Let me destroy him in a second.
No, Ikenga. Remember, you cannot kill.
And I can't sit and watch him put you in trouble and desecrate the land as well. No!
Do not worry. I will handle him my way.
He must count today as one of his lucky days. Next time I can't stand this.
Come inside with me.
You must! You are disturbing my life. You are disturbing my life.
Are you for real? I am disturbing you. Oh, no problem. I need an explanation here and now. Why didn't you pick my call?
My phone chooses who to pick and who not to answer. Let that get into your skull.
Oh, really? Afam, what is going on? Like, this is me asking you what is going on. What?
Listen, I was busy before you came into this house. If you're not going to give me that same piece I had inside there, remain here. Watch the screen or you leave to your own house. Excuse me.
What? Really, Afam, you are indirectly asking me out of your house. Afam, you lie. I have come to stay. Afam, I have come to stay.
What did I do to Afam? I can't remember doing anything wrong. What is happening? What's all this? Why is Afam doing this to me? Afam must tell me what I did. Hello. Afam big. Hello, baby. My king. Baby, what have I done? Tell me now, what's going on? What's happening? What? Hand up! What's happening? Hand up!
Listen, what anyone has to say on this has nothing to do with me. I think what matters most is what I feel. That is all that counts at this point.
You're very funny, bro. Very funny. I mean, how can anyone be proud to say he's in love with a priestess? Huh? You must be under a spell.
You're beginning to sound like my mother. Honestly speaking, you're sounding like my mom. I mean, how would you believe that I am under a spell? Come to think of that, no one can cast a spell on me. See, it's important as human that we learn to know the differences between love and like. They're different things.
So now, tell me, how about your fiancée?
Oh, well, she's a nice person. I like her. She's accommodating. She's really a wonderful person. But the truth is, the earlier I solve this, the better. I just can't do this.
But you proposed to her. And I mean, I was making all sort of videos that day and I was happy.
Oh yes, I did. I'm not denying that fact that I proposed to her. But I did that because my mom has been mounting pressure on me to settle down as her only child. So whatever I did was just to please my mom. So please, consider my feelings first.
Afame Funa. Just be careful. That's all I can say.
I am an adult. I can always handle my things. Okay? But meanwhile, you and I know Priska is a good person. If you want to settle down with Priska, you can go ahead. I mean, I'll still give you my blessings.
Oh, please.
Oh no, I don't deserve this! I don't deserve this.
Here we go.
What are you talking about? Angel, look at me. I told you everything over the phone, right? That is exactly what I've been going through. I don't know what I did. That's the worst part. I did nothing.
So wait, you mean Afam did all of that?
I'm telling you.
You fought with him?
That's not possible. You know I can't try such.
So you mean all of a sudden he changed?
Seriously, I can't explain.
My friend. I mean, after all you have suffered for him.
I just know, but you know Afam wasn't like this, you know, right? He just changed. Like, he gets angry at every slightest provocation. He won't even let me talk. He will just keep nagging. Like, I'm lost. I'm confused. I don't know what's happening.
It's okay, this is unbelievable. Eh? I need to talk to him. I need to talk sense into him. Rubbish!
My darling, please just calm down. Right now, you don't really need to talk to Afam.
This is unbelievable.
You do have to talk to Afam because I think he's going insane. Yes, he will talk to you the way you wouldn't like, so please do not talk to Afam. Just leave him. I just leave him with fine.
My friend, come.
I just hope Afam will stop all this. He's hurting me emotionally.
The great son of Ezebube.
My priestess.
You have always been like this, right from childhood.
Yes, at least I'm always honest in everything I say.
Yes, I know. I know. Ikenga.
My priestess.
Please, do not forget to use the Ojugo to speak with Ndichan. It is very important, just as we discussed.
My princess, come on, how can I forget something as important as that? It's not possible.
Good.
My priestess.
You again?
I am sorry about what happened the last time. I meant no harm.
What do you want? Speak! Before I make you regret standing before me, stranger.
Okay. My priestess. I think you're being harsh on this young man. Or is there anything the matter? Any problems?
He's the one. The stranger that got healed by the sacred sword. He just can't keep away from me. But don't worry. I will handle him my way.
Oh. So it is you.
am sorry about what happened the last time.
With you now, I understand.
I meant no harm. I just want to show some level of appreciation. You saved my life. I feel I'm forever indebted to you. Please.
She does not want your gift. Mind you, you're standing before the great priestess of Aguachala. Hey, you better leave, you stranger. Don't joke with your life. Leave with your gift and never return.
It's just a harmless gift from an innocent man. Just to show appreciation. You saved my life and I feel I am forever indebted to you.
And I said, she does not want your gift. Are you deaf?
Chibundo, take the gift.
Thank you, my priestess. Thank you, beautiful.
Leave! Now!
Thank you. Thank you, my priestess. Thank you.
Wait. I don't understand. Can you explain what is going on?
What is it that you don't understand? You heard him. He said the gift was just to show an appreciation. They are not for me. They are for the goddess. Let's go. Ikenga! Ikenga!
Oya tekwe kwa mume n'ọdịihu nakọchala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ.
I can't let her have him. Never. I'd rather die than watch him marry another woman. Look at me now. Am I not beautiful? Never. I will not allow her. I will deal with you, Ijamaka.
I can feel the bitterness in your heart.
Oh, Ikenga, you are here.
Yes, I'm here to save you. To save your life. Desist from your evil plans. And let destiny prevail.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You want to deny it? Don't forget that I'm Ikenga, great son of Ezebube. I see beyond human minds. Allow your chi to bless you, daughter of Okonkwo Nyukonwa.
Oya tekwe kwa akụkọ ije. Oya tekwe kwa mume akọchala n'ọdịihu nakọchala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ. Oya tekwe kwa mume nakọchala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ. Shane menuo ije. Oya tekwe kwa mume amadu ije love nakọchala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ. Priestess, don't fall in love. Oya tekwe kwa mume love wanu onwekwara oke. Nakọchala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ. Omenala ndị dịkwa alụfa. Oya tekwe kwa mume mpiti na-ekwe nakọchala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ.
This is beautiful. And it looks expensive. Why is he doing this? If only he knows the dangers that will befall him.
Agba n'obodo agụachala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ. Ije oya tekwe kwa omume akọchala n'ọdịihu nakọchala oya tekwe kwa akụkọ.
I am so happy she collected that gift. Look at those beautiful eyes. The sight of that girl is one of the most beautiful things I've ever set my eyes on. But sometimes I wonder why these spirits will go and possess beautiful girls when there are so many ugly girls on the street roaming looking for who to make them theirs. Nah, these spirits are very greedy Very greedy spirits. They won't go for the ugly girls. They will be possessing these beautiful girls. Just imagine the girl serving a deity in that thick forest. Omo, I would rather join her in serving that deity till she accepts to be mine.
Afam, I am here so that we will sort this out once and for all. Afam, what is happening? Why are you treating me the way you do? You ignore my calls? Like, what's happening? Talk to me. I'm not a fool. Talk to me. What did I do? Huh? What is all this? No, not again, Afam. Afam, you're not working out on me. You are not. You're not working out on me this time around. Tell me what I've done. Why are you doing this to me, baby? You make me cry every day lately and I'm not okay with it. Please talk to me. What is happening? What have I done? Please.
The truth of the matter is my body and spirit had already left you before now.
What?
I mean, what will I gain still keeping you around, wasting your time? Please.
What?
I'm done.
Afam! No. No. No!
Babes.
Angel, my heart is broken.
I know how you feel.
No, Angel, you don't. You don't know how I feel. I just want to wake up from this dream. Because I believe I'm dreaming. This is not real. It's not happening. Why? Do I really deserve this? Afam looked into my eyes and said, it's over. Like it's over between us. Afam said it's over. A relationship I have nurtured for years.
But for what reason, if I may ask?
I don't know. I don't know.
Are you sure he's not seeing another girl?
You don't understand? You don't. I'm not sure I'll survive this, Angel.
Okay.
I'm not sure I'll survive this.
Look, you have to put yourself together, okay? This is not the end of the world. You have to calm down.
Angel, you won't understand. Angel, I am traumatized. Okay. I'm hurt, like...
You have to put yourself together, Priska.
But why will Afam do this to me? Can you just tell me why? Then I'll be fine. Just tell me why Afam would do a thing like this to me and I'll be fine. And I will not cry again and I will not talk again. A man I've loved Afam more. I've loved him. I've not cheated on him for once. I've been loyal. I've been a loyal girlfriend. Afam engaged me. And Afam is telling me that it's over.
It's okay. You really need to fight for what belongs to you. And stop crying. You can't be doing this to yourself.
It's okay, Angel. I'll stop crying.
I will have to be on my way. I will call you, okay? It's okay, stop.
Fine. Okay, fine. I'll stop crying.
I will call you, okay? It's okay.
It's alright, Angel. Afam. Why? I don't deserve this.
You brought this upon yourself.
This is a great abomination. It's unbelievable. How can such a promising young girl commit such evil act in her heart. How can?
Biko, have mercy. Oh, go why I
Woman, shut your lips. Keep quiet. Please. The priestess of Agwachala. Over to you.
Woman, your daughter committed an abomination. It is an abomination to plan and execute evil against the priestess of Agwachala. I now declare you and your daughter banished from Agwachala forever.
The great priestess of Agwachala, I understand how you feel. Okay, but please, pardon this poor widow. Her daughter might be dangerous, but I don't think she supported what her daughter did. Please, do not banish her. She has nowhere to go. Tamper loses witness.
She is to bring 3 fat she-goats, 25 pieces of kola nut or jugu, 4 white fowl, 25 tubers of yam, and 100 pieces of cowries in less than 5 days. Among these 5 days, on Eke Day, she will go to a Kulu River for cleansings. And after that, she will be forgiven.
Ezeonu, oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ezeonu. Thank you.
Thank you, the great priestess of Abduction. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you so much.
I don't deserve this.
Big sis, let me get you a glass of juice.
I'm not interested, don't worry. I'll be fine.
See, sis, I know everything you're passing through. I had your friend's advice, but if I'm to suggest, I would tell you to move on. I mean, you can't force someone to love you. Big sis, you're beautiful. You got the money. Well endowed. Just move on.
Amy, you won't understand. You won't.
What else do you want me to understand? Big sis, you all have got. We lost our parents at a very tender age. Please stop doing this to yourself. Stop killing yourself all because of a man. Stop.
It's okay, Emeka. Thank you so much. Thank you, kid bro. Thanks. It's fine, don't worry, I'll be strong. Have you eaten?
How can I eat? How can I eat when you are in such a sad mood? How can I eat?
Don't worry, just go inside. Look for something to eat, okay? Right now, I've lost my appetite. Okay, don't worry, I'll eat later. Just go in, okay?
Okay, no problem.
I'll eat. Okay, I'll eat. Just go and eat, I'll be fine.
Check it well, man. No, check it well. Because each time he calls me on the phone, before he finishes one sentence, Afayabata. So check it. Mama, kiss your offend there.
Mama, I did nothing wrong to her. Yes. I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Mama, I even went to his house to apologize for something I know nothing about. What he did was to throw me out. Afam threw me out of his house. I don't know.
You saw this way, Cello? Let me call him.
He's here. Oh.
I was even trying to call you.
Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't tell you I was coming to the village.
My love.
What are you doing here?
Nah, calm down. What is it? If there's any problem, talk to your mother. Oh?
Mama, there's no problem at all. As a matter of fact, she's a nice girl. And I liked that about her.
Liked?
Yes, Mama, I liked that about her. But the truth of the matter is, I don't think I can marry her because, this is marriage we're talking about. In marriage, you should think of someone you can be able to see through their bullshit for the rest of your life. And I don't love her.
You never loved her? Yet a ring. Eh? Afamefuna.
Mama!
Afamefuna!
Mama, I am tired of this whole thing. I can't keep denying this. Mama, this is about my feeling. This is about the woman I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. Mama, I am your only son. You have always mounted pressure on me to get married. And whatever you see me do all this while, I was doing it just to please you. She's a nice girl, I've said it before. And she can always find someone else. Please. Our happiness is paramount here. Please. Priska, I think you better go back to the city and do those things.
Afam, this is not you. Afam, you're not the one talking.
My son doesn't even have water in my mouth. I said, I cannot do this.
This is not coming from you. Afam, why? Why?
Please, whatever this is, you just get
Afamefuna. Okansija. Imuma. Afamefuna. Imuma. Are you joking? Hey! You do not know how much that girl loves you. That is why you would choose another girl over her. By the way, who is that Apuramu that you chose over that beautiful girl?
Well, Mama, she's not a person but the priestess of Abduction village.
Gimme?
The priestess of Abduction village.
Hey! Why do you want to bring an Obanje into my home?
What did you call her?
Obanje! God gave you an angel. Manamba! You want an Obanje? You want to dive into problems, into trouble.
Mama, there is nothing wrong with that girl. That girl is a normal human like every other person is. Listen, I have found a woman after my heart. I am tired of pretending, trying to compel myself to do something I am not willing to. Mama, this is marriage we're talking about here. It's a lifetime mission. Let me go after a woman that I am willing to grow old with. Please.
You will marry that girl only when I am no more.
Iyo koko neko achala oya tekwe kwa koko mshane menuo ije oya tekwe kwa mume amaru ije lavu neko achala oya tekwe kwa koko Priestess don't fall in love oya tekwe kwa mume love wanu onwe kwa roke neko achala oya tekwe kwa koko omena ndidi kwa lofa ije oya tekwe kwa mume mpiti nekwe kwe Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko Mchane mekweme Ewu oya tekwe kwa mume Jinje jielanu Nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko
Who are you and why are you blocking my way?
And where do you think you're going, Mr. Stranger?
I mean, you have no business where I'm going. Why should you be stopping me and interrupting my movement? I don't have any business with you, so please tell these people here or your boys or whatever they are to you to please leave my way and never to block me again.
What an effrontery. What nerves. What gods speaking to me in such manner. In a strange land where you can be wasted forever, no one will ask about you. To the best of my knowledge, the priestess has healed you. So you have no business with this place, nor the shrine.
You lie. If the priestess doesn't want to see me anymore, she should tell me herself, look me in my eyes and tell me herself that I should stop coming to search for her. So please, get these things out of the way.
I can't Sisi. You can get without that joy. I love that nerves.
Whatever this is, let it not repeat itself again. I don't have any business with you people. I am going for my own business. Mind your business and leave me alone. Whenever they see me coming to this place, they should not stop me. So take them off the road, let me pass. Take them off, please. Respect yourself, respect yourself, respect yourself. This one again. You had better start. Just respect yourself and start. Just respect yourself and start. I woke up this morning, started the car. I moved. I didn't stop again until I got to Coca Junction where I bought bottled water. So what happened to you? What's the meaning of this? Listen, I must go and see the priestess. Oh yes, you stop me from going to see the priestess. I would go and see the priestess.
So thank you for coming around.
Well, I have to thank you because I'm always delighted being in your presence, The
pleasure is mine.
Hi, priestess. Ah, beautiful.
You again.
What? What? After I didn't come here to see you. The last time I checked, this is not your home.
Push me no further.
What is going on here? And you, stranger, you have no rights whatsoever to speak to him like that. Before me.
Princess, he came out so rude. On my way to come and see you. He brought me with his boys. He asked me to go back rudely and I refused. The next thing that happened is my car refused to start. I did everything, the car refused.
Ikenga, I thought I told you to stay away from this, so that I can handle it. You don't have to go that far.
You
what?
I don't know what he's talking about. Do you actually believe him?
Of course you know what I am talking about. You do.
Ikenga, release his car so he can go home. Now. Ikenga, I said release his car so he can go home. Just do it for my sake. Please. Stranger.
Hi.
You may go home. Your car is free.
Thank you, my priestess.
Go home.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. But one more thing, please. I brought you something you would like. Something from the best of collections. I mean, you like it. It's beautiful. I got this just special for you. Let me just wear this on you and you. You like it. I mean, it's something. Oh, shit. He's looking at me. Priestess, it's just a gift. I know you like it. I brought it from the best of collections in town. Here, just a gift. It's just a gift. I mean no harm.
Stranger. This is dangerous. What you ask of is dangerous. Because it won't only affect me. It will affect you and the entire village.
Goddess, I don't care. I don't care as much as it's going to affect me. I can't help it. I can't get the thought of you out of my mind. I can't live a life without thinking of you.
There are so many beautiful girls where you came from. Look for one and settle with.
My mind is made. It is either you, the goddess of my heart, or no other woman.
Stranger, you are risking your life.
I don't mind dying for what I believe. I don't mind dying for the joy of my heart.
Do not be like the stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave. What you ask of is dangerous. Very dangerous.
Is there anything wrong for a man to go after his heart? Is there anything wrong for a man to die for one thing that he believed in? Goddess, life without you seems impossible. I am willing to pay any price that it costs for me to be with you. I said what I said.
Stranger, what you seek of is dangerous and is deeper than you.
Ifenemenu ije oyatekwe kwa mume Chane mekweme Nako ashala oyatekwe kwa koko Aru emelanu Ewu oyatekwe kwa mume Obodo ago ashala Nako ashala oyatekwe kwa koko Iyo ije oyatekwe kwa mume Abu ashala no digu Nako ashala oyatekwe kwa koko Nako epuolome Ewu tekwe kwa moyo iyo koko Neko achala oya tekwe kwa koko Mshane menuo ije oya tekwe kwa mume Amaru ije lavu Neko achala oya tekwe kwa koko Priestess don't fall in love oya tekwe kwa mume Love wanu onwe kwa roke
My leg, my leg, my leg. Ah, my leg.
Oh, the bread of Agwachala. Please, I need your help. My cousin is in pain. He needed your urgent attention. Please.
He's been beaten by a dangerous cobra.
I know. I know. That is why I brought him here, so you can just take care of it. Please.
Do not worry. I will take care of him.
Thank you. I'm just relieved right now. Thank you so much.
Just go home. Come back later in the day. She will make him strong and healthy again.
The blood of Agwachala. Okay, Agwachala Jafuzo.
Ikenga, just go home.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I better take my leave now.
It's okay.
Let's go. No, you can't die, no. No! No, wake up. Wake up, no, wake up. No! Wake up.
Ikenga.
Ikenga, what are you doing?
Ikenga, please, I beg of you. It's not his fault. If there's anyone to be punished here, then it should be me. It's my fault.
Disappointed in you. I don't want to hear anything. You are lost in thought and affection. You are lost in love. Under your watch, you left my cousin die in pain. I don't think I will ever forgive you.
Ikenga, please, don't say that. I know I've made the worst mistake. I accept my mistakes. I'm sorry. Please, just I'm sorry. I wasn't doing anything with him. I wasn't doing anything.
Yes. I don't care. I don't care.
I accept my mistakes. I made a terrible mistake. I'm sorry. Please, just forgive me. I'm sorry. Why did this happen?
King, I'm sorry. I accept my mistakes. I'm sorry.
I can't go without that, Joey. My dear cousin brother. The priestess was so careless. She was so careless and left you to die. I know you're not happy wherever you are, but please. Please do not revenge. I want you to rest in peace. Just rest in peace. I don't remember inviting you to my house. What do you seek and speak? I have no time.
Ikenga, I am so sorry for your loss.
Oh, you think
Please, take my apology to the dead.
Thank you, Sezi. I personally brought my cousin to you for you to give him life when he was in pain. We were carried away with emotions. And you are here right before me telling me to forgive you. Leave.
Please, Ikenga, like I said, please, my very good friend, find a place in your heart to forgive me, for it wasn't intentional. Ikenga, if you can't forgive me, what do you expect the dead to do? Please, forgive me. I brought this to appease the dead. Please accept it.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
Now you're welcome to my house.
Thank you. I bet you will.
Ana vado mad na go na no when you talk to Boko. Number to go there Boko. So to break all the seal. One minute. Please forgive the priestess. She brought this to have peace. I want you to rest in peace. Forgive her. Please, forgive her. I want you to rest in peace. My dear brother, rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Now, what are you doing? Oh? Rest in peace. Now, go sada the man. Oh?
Sumifugo Gibonwa. In a Chibum. Mechoka Balaka one. The same stubbornness that killed your father, you keep it on never. Don't worry. No problem. What if those boys did not see you? I brought you to this hospital.
Mama. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Yes. So how is he doing? Doctor, I'm fine. I'm very okay, doctor. Mama, as you can see, it's getting better. Stop crying.
Yes, to be better. Oh, doctor, you don't understand until you have a stubborn child.
At least let him get better now, okay?
Yes.
Settle down better. Okay?
He will be better.
He needs enough rest. What he needs now is enough rest. So I would suggest you join me to the reception. We need to talk. Please.
Let me cry, please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Doctor, leave me.
It's a minor issue. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Let's go.
So you people have planned to kill my son, my only child. If anything should happen to him, I will never forgive everyone in this village.
What are you talking about, woman?
My son is lying lifeless at the hospital. Tell whoever is involved that it will never be well with them.
Ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma. Ndị ichie na ndị egede. Eze nwaanyị Abduction. Ọ na-abịa ka ụnụ wala anyị ọjị taa. Na ọjị bụ kpụrụkpọ n'utubo na-agba ama afọ ime. Kpatara na udene kara aka na amapụ ụzọ afọ. Ọ mụọ Ikenga. Ụnụ gụnyere m ọkụ n'aka. Ọkụ a gụnyere m n'aka ya abịa na be mmụọ. Na-enwu bịa na be mmadụ nyụnarị m mba na mbe. Ada one can adịrị anyị na mma. Mmiri ada eri ọba. Ikuku ada ama n'ọnya. Aja ada one can. Etu esi kwere oge si were. Welcome to my humble abode, the Priestess of Agwaja. To what do I owe this visit?
Ikenga, why have you decided to destroy the powers given to you by your own son of great Ezeonu?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Has it gotten so bad that you now lie to me?
The Priestess of Agwaja, can you go straight to the point? Stop speaking in riddles. Hit the nail on the head.
You and your boys attacked that stranger. His mother came to the shrine this morning, crying bitterly. That boy is her only child.
I warned him severally and he didn't listen.
I told you that I will handle him. I told you to stay away, that I will handle him.
He told me to stay away from him, as you will handle him. The heart of that strong priestess that I know is saying a different thing, while her lips is saying a different thing entirely.
Ikenga, do you realize that you are not meant to spill blood or kill? Once that happens, your powers vanishes forever.
And if that happens, all thanks to you.
Ikenga. Ikenga.
Mama, let's go.
You're not better anything. Stay here.
Mama, come, Mama.
Stay here. The doctor said he would discharge you, but it's not now. Stay here.
Let's go.
When you discharge, he just said, stay here.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama, why?
Stay here also. Don't care anything. People will just weak. Give me his weekend. Never.
Who is this stranger? Who is this stranger? Oh, he should thank his ancestors that he survived. I wanted to destroy him, make him pay for what he has done. Because of this same stranger, the priestess has refused to serve the land just the way she used to. The priestess has lost it. She has lost it. Because of this same stranger, I've lost everything. My friendship with the priestess. And he thinks he can get away with it. Only if he knew what he has gotten himself into. Only if he knew who Ikenga is. Only if he does know who Ikenga is.
Ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekwe me nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko aru emelanu oya tekwe kwa mwano bodo ako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko yo ije oya tekwe kwa mume ashala no dihu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko.
Mama. 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 Eh? Mama. 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 Mama! 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 What's going on? Can we go inside the car?
Ayoro mama, ayoro. Onye bụ nwanne m. Ayoro mama, ayoro. Onye bụ nwanne m. Ayoro mama, ayoro. Eze nwanyị bụ nwanne m. Ayoro mama, ayoro. Onye bụ nwanne m. Nwere m ihu dị mma. Onye bụ nwanne m. Nwere m ihu dị mma. Onye bụ nwanne m. Ayoro mama, ayoro. Onye bụ.
Stranger, you look worried. What troubles you?
My mother is missing. Ezeonu, my mother is missing. She's nowhere to be found.
Your mother is missing. How sure are you that your mother is missing?
I'm sure, Ezeonu! Ezeonu, I am sure! Ezeonu, my mother was supposed to bring food to me in the hospital. I waited. As a matter of fact, after I waited for some time, I went home to search for my mother. I got home. I saw the food my mom was supposed to bring to me in the hospital spilled on the floor. And everywhere in the house was so scattered. Ezeonu,
Every single thing in that house was slithered. And close to the door, I saw blood close to the door. That is a sign that my mom is not alright.
Go home, for your mother shall return to you.
Priestess, I should go home? I am telling you that my mother is not home. You're telling me to go home?
Go home! I assure you of that. She shall return to you alive. Go.
Fine. Ezeonu, it's not as if I am trying to protest with your powers, but I just need my mom to be fine. I need my mother to be alright. That's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for, please.
Ikenga, you've done enough to that man. You are going beyond limits.
What do you mean?
Let that innocent woman go.
You know, from the look of things, it seems you're fighting for this young man in question. Let him face the consequences of what he practically drawn for himself. I want to cut the head of his mother and put it on a platter for him to see.
Ikenga, what about your powers?
I don't care about my powers. That riffraff practically challenged me, Ikenga. So I don't mind losing my powers. I will teach him a lesson that we will never forget.
Ikenga, this is my decision! My fight! My consequences are not yours!
May I remind you that when one finger touches an oil, it affects every finger. Get that into your skull.
Ikenga, the great son of Ezebube, my very good friend, the only friend that understands me in and out. Please, I beg of you, release her. Let her go for my sake. Please, just do this for me.
Mama, where have you been? Hey, Mama, who did this to you? Mama, could I make her? No, please come and sit down. Mama, who did this to you? I have searched everywhere for you. I've been searching for you all day. Mama, who did this to you?
That's supposed to say.
Mama, I'm so sorry, please. Mommy, I'm so sorry. Hey.
You have to leave that girl.
Mama.
Mama, because leave that girl alone, because.
Mama, which girl?
That priestess, oh. Because you have to go back to the city. Face your business. Because our lives are in danger, because. Hey!
So they did this to you because of the girl?
Hey, yes. Hey,
Jimmy.
Oh, leave that girl alone. I didn't do.
Mama, I am sorry. What you're asking me to do sounds so impossible.
Now I know you want me to die.
God forbid.
There's no problem.
God forbid, Mama. You will not die. Mama, you will not die. Stop sounding the way you're sounding, please. You won't die. See, I'll protect you. Such a thing will never happen again, bro. You will not die, Mama.
I will die for you. No problem.
Mama, you will not die.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Let them come and kill me.
Mama, you will not die, please.
I know you've always wanted me to die.
Hi, Chineke. Mama, stop saying what you're saying now. God forbid. Don't start doing this way. I beg you in the name of God. Okay, fine, Mama. Let me take you to the
Leave me alone.
Let's go to the village clinic.
Leave me. I want to die. Leave me. I'm moving them down. I come to since your father died, it has been me Nenu, Mwanandi. Ini the mezo. When I die, you go and do whatever you want to do.
Mama, stop sounding this way.
There's no problem. Adiba.
Mama, let me take care of you. Mama, what you're asking me to do is against the hospital rules and regulations.
Doctor, you don't understand. You don't understand. I'm not being there. If you leave that boy now, he will put me in trouble. Because I want his attention to be focused here.
I'm sorry. If I do this, I may lose my job. I may even lose my license.
Doctor, you will not lose anything. See, the way your job is important to you, that is how my son is important to me. Biko, help me. Help me, please. When my son comes, say, native will need to go Biko.
Mama, this is a very difficult task. But I'll see what I can do.
Thank you. Hey, doctor.
Mama. It's okay. No problem.
I think I feel different whenever he's around. I can't continue like this. This whole thing is weighing me down, and I don't like it. I can no longer fight my emotions. I can't.
Eze nwanyị agwachala. Ugegbe anyị achala dị afọ ụzọ. I welcome you, Wadiana. I welcome you. Wait. Nnukwu nwanyị. Wait. Oi. Oi.
Thank you very much.
Eze nwanyị. Ugegbe. Oi. Welcome.
Nimuchi. Thank you very much.
Wadiana. My daughter.
Nimuchi.
Don't you think you're about to take a drastic decision?
Nimuchi, what do you mean by that?
You want to abandon your G?
Nimuchi, how did you know about this? Who told you?
Don't forget that I'm your Noje. and that the great mother, Agwachala, came from here. So, my daughter, I can read through your heart.
Nnemoche, that's the reason I came to see you. I'm confused. I don't know where to start from. I don't know what to do. Please help me.
Don't worry. I'm here. Don't
worry. Mama. I was going to the ward, thinking that's where I would meet you.
Okugi.
The doctor told me that your waist is badly damaged.
Wow.
That you're in severe pain. So how come you're sitting out here?
Don't you believe no Kunti, or is it because I'm not lying on the hospital bed?
Mama, from the way the doctor narrated your situation to me, you were supposed to be lying down on the medical bed.
He said I should sit up small so that it will heal fast.
Mama, why are you so dramatic?
Okay, but dramatic. But my waist is badly damaged. My body is feeling ill. Hey.
Mama. 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 Binye Kaina.
Huh?
You heard me.
I can't even walk. I'm on a job.
As a Binye Kaina, I'll leave you here.
What are you? Have fun.
My daughter Ijamaka, you love him?
Yes, I do.
I hope you know the danger of what you're about to do.
Nnemoche, that's why I'm here. That's why I came to you. Help me.
I wish you know, because if he deflowers you before you set free, your entire village will be wiped out.
That I know also. Okay. Nnemoche, I don't intend going back to that village until I find a solution to this. Because the more I stay in that shrine, the more I become angry. I can't go back there.
My daughter, one thing is certain. Anything the goddess does not approve can never happen. So let's wait.
Dear elders of Agwachala, you're welcome to my home. So, to what do I owe this vessel? First of all, we thank you for welcoming us. We are here because of the priestess. For over 4 days now, she is nowhere to be found. 4 days. So we came to ask if you know her whereabouts. As regard to the dangers that will befall us, if she doesn't return back to the shrine as soon as possible, that is what we say. And the priestess is nowhere to be found. Yes. No. I don't know her whereabouts. I'm not even aware of this. I'm not.
Son of Ezebube, we are surprised to hear this coming from you, knowing that you and the priestess are childhood friends and you share a lot of powers in common. That is why the Onowu handed over everything with regards to the shrine of Agwachala for you to protect. So where do we go from here? Kana Nnebe anyị sị na o metụtụ imi, o metụtụ ọnụ.
My elders, it's all right. There is no cause for any alarm. I assure you, I'll put things in place. Please.
Please, do this for us and the people of Abduction, and we'll be very grateful.
Like I said, there is no cause for any alarm. I will make sure that I put things in place. This I promise.
Ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekwe me nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko arueme.
What's the matter with you? You look so tired and weak. What's going on?
I am not fine. I'm so confused. Confused.
Listen, you cannot be confused. Look, Priestess, listen to me. I will remain with you till the end of time. Yes.
Then, find me. Yes. I need you. I need you. I'm lonely. Find me.
I should find you?
Yes. Yes.
Priestess.
Find me.
What do you mean I should find you? Priestess! Priestess!
How long are we to live this way? No, tell me, how long? Each day, the number of our youths kept depreciating. No food, no water. Even other neighboring villages that used to come and beg from us, they now see us as an object of ridicule. Ikenga, how long?
Ikenga, look at you. Look at you, Ikenga, looking so relaxed as if nothing could be done about this problem. And people are dying in their numbers. Ikenga, I don't understand anymore. Eh?
Ikenga, seriously, you need to do something. The death rates keep increasing on daily basis. Calamities everywhere.
You know, I am so disappointed that all of you elders will come into my house and speak to me in such manner. I don't understand what's going on. I've done everything I could, everything within my powers. So what do you expect me to do?
How do you mean? We are here because we know that you're in a position to do something. That is why we are here.
Like I'm not doing anything? Listen, I'm not the priestess. And if you feel like I'm not doing anything, then all of you can search for her. What is all this? All we're supposed to do is to put heads together and find solution to this. I'm not shouting at me. For what reasons?
Ikenga. Oh, no worry here, medic Ikenga. Kaya no ekoba kayo to. Na eche anyway sina na da.
But eventually if I have something to do, I have it. Priestess! Priestess! Thank God you're here. I found you! I found you! My goodness! I went to the shrine and I saw...
Speak not of what you saw. You're welcome. I missed your presence.
Wow. Oh. Hi. Ne, I greet you.
Welcome, the offspring of Okeke Maganazo, the grandson of Onwamizu, and the great-grandson of Ntumabuleni.
Oh, wait. Permit me, if I may ask, how do you get to know...
Seize your question, for what you do not know is much bigger than you. Nnem, let me go and get some herbs from the Ofia Mona Mother. I'll be back. I will.
Take care. Yeah. You were not at the shrine. What are you doing here?
I have decided to quit everything. Yes, I know this is a very dangerous decision. But I can no longer deny the feelings, the emotions.
This is good. I mean, this is a fantastic decision you have taken. What are we still waiting for? You know what? Come with me. Come with me to the city. Let's run and live our own life in the city. Come, let's go. Not so fast. Let's go.
Oh. So it's you.
Yeah.
So it's you that is causing all this chaos.
I am not scared of you.
I'm really interested.
You can hear what she said. Leave her alone.
I will handle you in a special way. My own way.
You cannot do anything.
Dear Priestess of Agwachala, Ugebo Agwachala Jafus, Omalecha Agwachala Jemo, please follow me, let us go home. The people of Agwachala need you a lot. They need you. Please follow me.
No. I can't. Ikenga, I can't go back there. I want to live a normal life.
You know, I've been lenient because of the friendship, because of what we've shared. If not for anything, for the sake of people, the people of Agwachala, the innocent people that are dying. Please, follow me, let us go home and liberate our land.
I said no!
You heard her.
No, Ikenga. I am going nowhere.
If you don't want to follow me back to Agwachala, I'll be left with no choice than to take him.
Ikenga, don't try it. Don't touch him.
Don't touch me. If you listen, if you touch me,
Don't
if you dare.
Ikenga! Ikenga! What did you just do?
Now listen to me and listen real good. 4 days else, I'll bring his head back to you on a platter. You know me.
Ikenga, you can't do this! Ikenga, you can't do this! You can't do this! Ikenga! No, dear!
Nah, what's this going on? Who do I call now? Listen. Mom, how are you? Please, did my son call you lately? No! He came to the village to see me, but suddenly he disappeared. I should call Priska. Okay. Thank you. Nne, did Afam call you lately? He did not? What's going on? Where can he be? Who else can I call?
I am sick. I'm tired of all this. I just feel like removing all this and then setting myself free.
But how? If you are not cleansed, the gods will come after you and they will punish you severely.
So, what do I do? I'm tired.
Now let the gods decide your fate.
Ikenga has taken him away. I can feel his pain.
Yes. Truly, he's in pain. So you must go. Or else he will kill him. Yes.
But
for his sake, go back and save him.
Thank God I met you here. I was actually on my way to your house.
Oginikwa, what is it?
My son is missing.
Afamefune.
Who else?
No. Afamefune could go to abroad. He can travel to his friend's house. So don't say that. Afamefune is nothing will happen to Afamefune.
No. My son is in trouble. I can feel it.
Is there anything I need to know?
Biko, follow me.
To where?
To Agwachala village, Biko.
Agwachala is a far distance. What am I going there to do?
We're talking about your brother's only child.
No! Ndichi, I say no! No one cares about how I feel. I need to be free. I need to be free from this bondage. Listen, the goddess no longer speak to me. So what am I doing here? I need to be free. No one cares about me. Just go home. You can look for another priestess.
But our people are dying. No food, no water. Impunity is taking over our beautiful Agwajra. Please, we want you to do something.
What? Please what? Oh, so you all want me to remain here and solve your problems, whereas no one cares about me. Listen, go home. At this point, I am tired. I need my freedom. I need my freedom. I need to be set free from all this.
Oh, Priestess of Agwachala, you're welcome to my home. Can you come in?
Why are you doing this? Why?
I'm doing this because of him. He paid deaf ears to my warnings.
Ikenga, let him go. I love him. You can't change that.
And you think I don't love you too?
You knew everything. I love you from the deepest part of my heart. But I didn't let my emotions
take me off. I didn't.
Pretended like I don't care. I didn't love you. But you knew everything.
I was supposed to get married, but because of you,
I refused to get married just to keep this village in peace and not to put us in misery. That boy is supposed to do the same, but he refused. And you are here to warn me?
Ikenga, if anything should happen to him, then you will be my enemy forever.
Do I look like I care? I don't care!
Ikenga, you will not like to see the other side of me.
Oh, bring it on.
So don't be so foolish to try me.
Bring it on. Bring it on! I'm a Kenga. Kenga Warada Joyi. Kenga Warada Joyi. There is no way I will sit and watch that riffraff put my village in misery. I'm fighting a just cause, so I'm not scared of anything. Think you can threaten me? No, no one threatens me. I'm ready to fight. Bring it on. I'm ready to fight.
You tried stopping him from loving me. So do not blame me.
Who knows what they have done to my son?
You don't fight destiny, but you tried to. Meanwhile, I am doing my best to set him free. Only the elders will decide for now.
How can we see them? So we can resolve this. The person in question is my eldest brother's only son.
Do not worry, Mama. Calm down. Go home, for this will be sorted out.
Please, see me.
Go home.
Don't worry yourself too much. You'll be fine. Relax.
You saw his condition. How am I sure that he's going to survive this?
I strongly believe the priestess. She said that we should be hopeful and believe. So, wait till be.
If anything should happen to my son, I will not forgive the entire village of Amachala.
Nothing will happen to him. This is my brother's son. Don't get yourself worked out. This is right. Go home, eat, relax. You will fall sick. Calm down.
My Noche told me an interesting but very confusing story about how I and Ikenga were meant to get married, that we reconnected together and we were meant to get married. But Faith said otherwise, that our powers were shared and that he's the only one who can set me free from all this. So I am confused. I decided to come see you so you can, maybe you should have idea or you know something about it.
Priestess of Agwachara, you don't have to be confused. Your Noche is right.
She's right?
Yes. Ikenga is the only person that can free you from this. It is either him or no other person.
Nai, thank you. Thank you, I've heard you. I'll go and see him.
I don't want you to be confused. Just calm down. Do not over-worry yourself. Everything will be alright. And do not do any mistake so that you will not hurt yourself.
Thank you, Nai.
Everything will be alright.
Thank you, Nai.
But like I told you, Ikenga is the only person that can free you from this.
Thank you, Nai. May the gods be with you.
And also to you.
Calm down. Let's hear from Ishie. Madam, sir, this is the first time the people of Aguachala are facing this type of misery. Poverty, scarcity of water, no food, death. When I say that, I mean a lot of innocent people have died because of this your son. He came and stole the heart of our priestess. He has been warned severally, but he persisted. So let him face the beating of his own drum. Simply put. Ishie, I agree with you. This young man here is the only son of my late brother. The people of Aguachala have always been respected and known for greatness and peace. For the sake of this woman here, please, tamper justice with mercy. Madam, because of you, we can only pardon him on one condition, on just one condition. Whatever the condition is, we're here for it. Okay. He will swear by the offer of Ndichie that any time in his life he steps close to the soul of Aguachala, he will be struck to death by a woman named Igwe. Huh?
I would rather die.
Pico.
I don't want the priestess.
Pico, Papa, if anything should happen to you, I will die. You see it? He is determined to die.
Ikenga, like I said, I'm very sorry the way I spoke to you the last time. Please, I was carried away. I got carried away, and my good friend, please forgive me.
Well, yeah, Priestess of Aguachala. I cannot go this suggest you. All I was doing is for the interest of my village. That's all.
Ikenga, I know how you feel about my decisions. But you're my best friend. My childhood friend. I expect you to understand with me. Please, Ikenga. Even if I still accept being the priestess of Aguachala, things will get worse. Ikenga, the goddess no longer speak to me. So of what use is it for me to be at the shrine? Please, I beg you. Pico.
Do you know the implications of your decision?
No. We can't accept that. Things will get worse. If I maybe see.
To get more worse if we let her still remain the priestess of Aguachala.
Eh?
Of course. She doesn't have the interest of being the priestess anymore. So we can't force her to be there. Besides, Aguachala doesn't speak to her anymore. There's no use of her being there.
You mean the Aguachala doesn't speak to her anymore?
If I may ask, if she steps down from being the priestess of Aguachala, who will take over?
Oh, let the goddess decide that. Let the goddess decide that. Because we can't sit and watch her commit impunity there and we start suffering it. No. That's my suggestion. That's my decision.
Ifene menu ije oyate kwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako ashala oyate kwe kwa koko aru emelanu ewu oyate kwe kwa mume obodo ago ashala nako ashala oyate kwe kwa koko yo ije oyate kwe kwa.
Who are you? Who are you? Show your face. I command you to show your face.
That means Get ready. Tomorrow we will head to Mbanaguachala with some elders. There, the skull of the past priestess will be excavated. The ritual will be performed and you will be set free.
King, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for always being there for me. I appreciate everything.
So get yourself prepared. You have to come with 4 cowries, 4 kola nuts, a white chicken, and a she-goat.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll make sure I provide everything needed. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes.
Mbanaguachala! Mbanaguachala! Ese nwanyị Aguachala! Anyị ekene ego.
Say.
Ese nwanyị Aguachala.
Your daughter is here. Please, I plea on her behalf. Listen to whatever she has to say. I greet you once again, Ezenwanya Aguachala. You can speak.
Aguachala nne m. Achalugo nwanyị. Nneoma Obioma. Ijele nwanyị. I greet you. Thank you for everything you've done for me. I am so sorry for my decisions. Please forgive me. I am not rejecting you. I still believe in you. All I want is for you to set me free. I want to live a normal life like every other maiden. I want to get married and have my own children. Please, I beg of you, have mercy upon me and set me free. Set me free forever. Make your name go.
You can throw in the cowries one by one.
Okay. Oh yeah. Afọ. Nkwa.
You can lie down. Omo wikenga ni kenga orada joy. Ma ikwu na adụ mmadụ na-abụ n'anụ ọgụ onye ịtọpụta ugbo na ori anụ adịghị udene onye nwe ndị nwata nkakwụ ekunye mmiri ịkwa aka ọkụ agụnyere m n'aka anyụnarị m n'ụzọ
Eze nwanyị Aguachala! Eze nwanyị Aguachala! Eze nwanyị Aguachala! Eze nwanyị Aguachala! Eze nwanyị Aguachala!
Eze nwanyị Aguachala. Eze nwanyị Obioma. Eze nwanyị Malụma. Everyone has got later. They don't know you. They don't know. As another mother, Bonano. When you talk about Bonnie, I'm going to click on a clue to the nature of the day news. But I don't know, we see a bogey. Ogidi adia man is ni shade bogidi ogidi anyi pe yo. Oh fuck ide jawan. Amelum na njo fojidogu mana eji mo ofo na oge akolo. Eto si ku e ka odi na ekwe nke n'isi. Ikene mgine tekene gi n'uye. Kene gi na. Take it. You can lay down. Akwụkwọ dinyere m ozi asị m jee. Ọnya ka m na-eje. Eze nwaanyị agụachala! Agụachala dị ike. Eze nwaanyị agụachala! Eze nwaanyị agụachala! Eze nwaanyị agụachala! It is done! You may rise. It's time to unveil what was given to you as the Priestess of Abduction.
Ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko arueme lanu oya tekwe kwa mume obodo ako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko iyo ije oya tekwe kwa mume ashala no digu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko nako epuolo me oya tekwe kwa moyo iyo koko koko ashala oya tekwe kwa koko mshane menuo ije oya tekwe kwa mume amado yije lavu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko don't fall in love
You're now free. You're now being separated between the human and the spirit.
Thank you, Ikenga. Thank you, my elders.
Oya tekwe kwa koko chane mekweme oya tekwe kwa mume njinjeje lanu nako achala oya tekwe kwa koko ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako achala oya tekwe kwa koko arueme lanu oya tekwe kwa
Greetings. Let me bring food for you so that you can eat. Then I'll take you to the king's.
Oya tekwe kwa moyo iyo koko Neko achala oya tekwe kwa koko Mshane benua ije oya tekwe kwa
It's okay,
Excuse me. Are you not the priestess?
Mama, she was the priestess. She was not anymore.
Come, let's eat. Let's eat.
Is it roasted yam and palm oil?
No. No, it's not.
No, I can't eat.
Why?
I've never eaten any food apart from roasted yam and palm oil since I was born. And as a priestess, we are not allowed to eat any other food. Oh, I'll die. I know I'm free, but I'm a bit scared.
Listen to me. You have disassociated yourself from that deity. You are now a free person. You can eat whatever you want to eat. Please just trust me on that. You're free, please. You like it. See, it's very good. Just watch me, please. See. It's very good. Please. Hey, try it. You like it? You like it? Do you want water? Do you want water? Okay. I should give you some more. It's very good. Is that a cowrie? Mama? Cowrie?
I'm free.
Mama, this is an evidence that she's free.
I'm free.
Mama, this is the cowrie from the deity. Mama, she's free. Mama.
One of the maidens of Agwachala was chosen to replace me. So I'm free. I'm free to marry and have my own kids. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, Nim.
Mama, look at it. Can't you see the evidence yourself?
Mama. Please. I know I've cost you and your son a lot. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Please forgive her, please. She's free. Go, boy, Alicia. Go. Accept her, please.
There you come. The elders of Agwachala. I'm sorry I kept you all waiting.
No, sir.
Ikenga, son of Ezebube. Has Agwachala spoken?
Of course, this was for a celebration. Well, Agwachala has chosen Chibun, the daughter of Ijeoma, one of the shrine priestess, as the next priestess of Agwachala.
Hey, now you come.
Then we need to meet with Ijeoma as soon as possible to let her know, of course.
Of course. Because the more we delay, the more dangerous it becomes. So, can we go now?
Okay.
Greetings, Ikenga, the great son of Ezeonu.
Greetings.
You sent for me.
Greetings. Yes, I really do send for you. Have a seat. A seat. You know, when one accepts a call from his or her chi, a great sun shines, great power descends. Powers to control the universe. And I ask you, Chibundo, daughter of Ijenwa, so how delighted will it be if I'm to announce to you that the gods has chosen you as the next priestess of Agwachala?
I am greatly honored, and from the deepest part of my heart, I will serve the great Agwachala.
Well, I'm happy to hear this, but I still think you need to go home, rethink about this, and come back in the next 4 market days and repeat yourself again.
Great Ikenga, there is no need to rethink. Since the gods has chosen me to be the next priestess, who am I to say no? My body and my soul are ready to serve the great Agwachala.
Well, I'm very happy and I'm very satisfied to hear this from you. That'll be all for now.
I need to return back to the shrine.
Farewell. Please go get my food ready. I'm hungry.
Yes, you can.
It is time. It is time to do that which you've sent me to do. Look down. If you are truly the one chosen by the great Ezeonu Agwachala, you will truly see the cowries hidden by the spirits. Go ahead and pick. Did your one. That's a quick code and a quick way you can easy. Throw it inside.
Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo.
The signs of masterpiece. Steady. Now you accepted this call from the great Ezeonu Agwachala. But without it being complete, it is not done yet. So it is time for you to swear an oath that you will serve Ezeonu Agwachala till the end. With that, the bond will be sealed.
Ezeonu Agwachala, ana m ekwe gị nkwa na m ga-efe gị wee ruo n'ọgwụgwụ.
Onye nwunye nwata nkakwu ekwenye mmiri ojikwa aka.
as power bestowed on me as the king of Aguachala, I hereby hand you over the staff of office. Ofokide Jawan. So I hereby hand you over the staff of office as the priestess of Aguachala. It is done! All hail the priestess of Aguachala. All hail the priestess of Aguachala.
Mama, I want to say a very big thank you to you for accepting me as your daughter. Thank you very much. I know this is one of the hardest decisions you made. Thank you, I appreciate it. I promise I will never disappoint you. I'll make you proud.
What more can I say? I would like to say a very big thank you to you too. I mean, Mama, I know it wasn't easy going through this. Yeah, but you survived it. Thank you so much.
Ifene menu ije oya tekwe kwa mume chane mekweme nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko aru emelanu oya tekwe kwa kwano bodo ako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko iyo ije oya tekwe kwa mume ashala no digu nako ashala oya tekwe kwa koko